Today, industrial operators are acting too late. Organizations lack not only visibility, but also predictability for their asset performance. Maximizing asset productivity and ensuring that all the associated processes are working as efficient as possible is a key aspect for organizations striving for strong financial returns. In complex industrial facilities, different types of rotating equipment are at the heart of the ecosystem. The failure of these is always business critical. If the industrial plant is in a remote location, all the high-risk parameters are increasing exponentially.
Unlike traditional reactive maintenance, predictive and prescriptive models are acting like decision-making support engines. They collect operational data from the industrial asset and also from the integrated process management tools like MES, ERP, IoT systems and predict the future, then prescribe the next optimal step to avoid the ecosystems and the assets failure. Accenture's unique solution for rotating equipment, the Predmore, uses the latest technologies to deliver the best industrial asset maintenance. We are collecting and analyzing operational data in real time using AI and machine learning models right next to the asset on our edge device. We are sending all business-relevant data to our client headquarters, where the monitoring and the process optimization is happening.